Hey, Dean from Leisure Travel Vans. We're here in beautiful Winkler, Manitoba, Canada, where we build the world's best motorhomes, Triple E Leisure Travel Vans. If you've ever wondered how a leisure travel van is built, we have a full factory tour. I'm very excited. We're going to have a walkthrough of the entire leisure travel van Triple E factory. Not just parts of the factory, but every single inch of the factory from start to finish. We are a vertically integrated company. We make everything we can in-house. We're gonna walk through all the sub-assembly areas, and then we're gonna walk you down the main assembly lines where we build the Unity and Wonder motorhomes. We're gonna go back into our engineering department and of course our offices as well. You're gonna see the entire factory from start to finish. So make sure you sign up to watch our factory tour, and you're gonna see exactly how we build every single motorhome. The full leisure travel van factory tour experience. Come on, let's go have a tour of the factory.